Top it off at your...
Food, tasty food, tasty food.
Welcome to another Flavored Pack episode of Just Us Tasting. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Mikey.
So we've been mostly doing food up until now. We're going to change it up a little bit and do a couple drinks. We just did some, Mexico tasting?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And now we're going to get the Mexican drinks.
Yeah.
So, you and your dad
Excited.
love these.
Yeah.
I guess I'm about to find out why.
These taste so
Have
much
you never
different.
had a Mexican Coke?
I don't think so, no. So.
Today's gonna be her day.
Woohoo!
So,
All right. So I think we're probably going to start with Mikey's favorite, or one of his favorite.
And today we're also gonna be doing a blind taste test of all of these as well.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, yeah, we're going to do a little bit of fun here, so.
So this will be really, really fun. So,
All right. So.
first of all, we're gonna start Mexican Fanta.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite Fantas that I've always loved to get.
Okay. All right.
do you drink the American version or the Mexican
I drink
version?
the American version.
Okay.
I have
Because I don't think we've ever seen these around.
I have yet to there have been very few times I have seen the pineapple version.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
All right. So yeah, there you go. You got your Mexican Fanta and then your, I guess American Fanta or
Yeah.
U.S. ones. So.
The U.S.
All right. Yeah, these are going to be interesting because I'm not a big fan of pineapple, but Mikey likes it, so
I love these.
I'm letting him pick the flavor today. So
You're letting me pick
it's
my
gonna be fun.
favorite. This is gonna be really, really weird.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see the difference. I'm really excited to see if we can tell a difference.
I can't wait to try the orange. That's my favorite. So.
I can't wait to try the Sprite. I haven't tried the Sprite in forever.
I was thinking when you guys say Mexican Coke or whatever, I'm just like, oh,
It's just Coke.
yeah.
No, they're made differently. They taste different. I want to know how much different they make them.
Okay, these are for me.
Yep, keep them on that direction.
Okay.
So keep them just like that.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Pineapple.
Okay. So you have one in your left hand and one in your right hand.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Left, right.
all
Right
right,
hand
which one do you
first?
want to try first?
Let's do the right hand first.
Right hand first?
Right hand first. Okay.
Okay. Taste like pineapple.
Yeah, it does. Okay.
Not a strong pineapple taste.
Oh.
So good. Love these things. Yeah.
You finish it?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Yeah.
Now, try the other one, and you tell me which hand was Mexico, which one was U.S.
Oh, this one tastes really different.
It does. I bet this one is the Mexico one.
I get a stronger pineapple taste off of it. I'm gonna say this is American, this is Mexican.
I
Rebecca?
say this is Mexican and this was the American.
Mikey is right.
Ha ha!
Okay.
I might know my
Really?
soda.
The one in your right hand was the Mexico.
Oh, that's weird.
Mexico tastes better.
You could tell. You could taste the difference.
I can really taste the difference.
Okay.
There was also a color difference.
Okay.
The
I
color,
noticed the one from...
the one from Mexico was like clearer and darker, while the American was like really light, or not like, it was lighter and it had a stronger pineapple taste. Most Mexican flavors do not have, or most, I've figured out, most of these other world countries don't have the overpowering taste that Americans generally have.
Okay. That is really weird. Because the Mexican one, it looked like it had more carbonation. Which was kind of...
I'm going
Which
to be
is
burping
why-
a lot now.
But I didn't think it was the... okay. So, keeping with our Fanta, we are now going to try the orange flavor.
Again, another
So-
flavor I love.
Yes, I love orange. So I guess they don't have that much carbonation in them. Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you could never know.
Yeah, I guess.
The pineapple Fanta and the Mexican Coke,
That Mexican one was a lot stronger.
it was darker, and you could tell there was a clear difference. I feel like these are both going to be the same color orange, and I feel like they're going to taste the same.
Yeah. Okay.
I have a
Well.
strong feeling that I'm not going to be able to tell with this one.
Okay.
But we'll see.
Our drink concierge.
Yes.
Connoisseur.
You know I am.
All right. So this is going to be interesting.
Yeah. I'm really, 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 really excited to do this.
Okay.
Okay, I was right. These look the
They
same
do
color.
look the same.
They look the same.
They do. They smell really good too.
They smell the same.
We should have got more orange stuff. I didn't think to like with our food that we done. We've kind of stuck with the strawberry.
Yeah.
But okay.
Many, many more episodes to go, I hope.
Yeah. All right,
All right.
let's try the left one first.
All right. They're not as strong of an orange taste. Not carbonated. Not really. Well,
It's got carbonation in there.
no, it does. It really does. It's not like that hard, crispy. Oh, that has the punch.
Mm-hmm. That's the
Um,
Mexican one.
I'm gonna say this is Mexican. I'm gonna say this is American.
American, Mexican.
Ready?
Ha ha!
Wow.
Yeah, America has that crispiness.
A little more powerful.
Yeah,
Not as subtle.
no.
Wow.
America likes to kick you in the face with carbonation and that flavor.
So the left one was Mexican?
This one was the Mexican.
Yep.
This one was your American.
Okay.
So you can tell a difference.
That was...
Were you surprised?
I'm surprised that you could tell a difference. I wonder if it's because it's in a glass bottle and it's not plastic and it's not like as carbonated.
Mm-hmm.
So because like it's in glass bottles and it doesn't, Because with the bottles, you can hear it go, and you can hear that. With the glass bottles, you don't get that like explosion.
Okay. You say so. All right.
Now, when you open that Sprite, be careful, because you know they are bound to bust on you.
Yes.
All right. So next up is our Mexican Sprite.
Oh. I
Right.
hope one comes out clear. I hope they both come out clear.
I just hope I get one right.
Because if one comes out green and the other comes out clear, you can tell the difference.
The glass is green.
No, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh Lord.
How funny would it be if like he handed it to us and it was just green. And it was just green. And you're like, wait, what? He really has food type. He threw us off and he food dyed the American one.
That'd be hilarious.
That'd be hilariously funny.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have to try those differences or compare them again, because
I'm noticing that the Mexican Coke is not as fizzy. Oh, excuse me. Good gosh. Why does one look cloudier than the other?
that's what I was. Yeah. This one looks clearer. Okay.
Which one do you want to go first?
They both smell pretty same.
Smell similar.
Oh, I can't guess these out. Okay.
Are you listening to it? All right.
Oh my gosh. Okay, left one first.
Okay. Oh, that's the crispy Sprite I love. Mm-hmm. Crispy. Wait a minute. I'm actually at a loss for this one. They taste the same. They taste the same.
Rebecca, can you tell a difference?
I can tell a little bit difference, yeah.
They actually taste the same.
No, they don't.
I'm gonna say this is Mexican. This is American.
I don't know. I'm at a loss for words because I don't know. I think this one was American.
So which one's American?
Left.
Yeah, I said American, Mexican.
Are you saying the same thing?
Yeah.
Really?
Nuh-uh, really?
Yeah.
They taste.
Okay, I want to see you pour it from the bottle. Okay.
Yeah, hit me. That is really crispy. That tastes like American Sprite.
Okay then. That was different. All right.
Different?
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Well, that was interesting.
So Sprite's pretty close.
Sprite's
Yeah.
really close.
Huh.
Okay.
So what? I'm 2 for 3.
Yeah, you got 2 right.
Yeah.
Rebecca has what right?
All right.
I guess I'm just better at taste testing sodas.
I guess.
Sprite, dude, both the Sprites tasted the exact same.
Those kind of like leave a different taste in your mouth.
Sprite
That's-
is known for being crispy.
That is really weird. All right, you want to introduce this one?
And then the big one and the best one, Mexican Coke.
All
I
right.
love these. Mexican Coke is one of the... I would
Yeah,
say
I
one of
know,
the
like-
more well-known ones and better ones that I actually like.
Whenever you guys see one, you're like,
We always freak out because we're like, oh, Mexican Coke!
We do like Mexican Coke around here.
oh,
I
okay
wish we
then.
could find more... Well, I guess now we know
Well,
where...
we know where they're at.
We
so-
know where they're at now, so I can get my Mexican pineapple Fanta and Sprite now.
Ooh. That is really weird.
Wow, I am really surprised at Sprite.
I know.
I was expecting the... I was really expecting the bottled Sprite to have less carbonation like
Yeah.
Fanta.
Yeah, it had a lot of carbonation in there.
And that actually had a lot of carbonation. I was... Wow.
That is weird. Oh my gosh.
I guess that throws my
Yeah.
theory out the window.
It does.
I thought I was onto something where it's like, oh, glass bottle, it can't have as much carbonation.
Yeah, I was surprised they had that much carbonation.
Yeah.
Because I was like, wait a minute.
One looks significantly darker than the other. Okay.
Alright, which one do you want to go first?
Both smell like Coke. We'll go with right.
Alright.
Has a lot of carbonation. Tastes really, really good. Okay.
Alright.
Again, really close.
Yeah.
We have the Sprite dilemma again.
I'm at a loss. I don't know because I can't. I mean, I can taste a little bit of a difference, but it's hard to say for sure.
American, Mexican.
That was kind of my first gut reaction too.
Because this one
But I'm
kinda-
gonna go Mexican and then Mexican American.
Okay.
And I'm
you
the
guys locked
reverse.
in?
Yeah.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Ha-ha!
Didn't I say this was Mexican?
Yep, she is right. You're
No,
wrong.
I was wrong.
Yeah.
No!
Ha ha.
No!
I got one right. I got one right. Yay!
2 out of the 4, though.
That's not bad.
No, two of 4 is
Huh.
not bad.
That
Wow.
That's really surprising. Okay. So
Well, what do you think?
I was intrigued. Wow.
Was that different?
That was.
different. Yeah.
I actually enjoyed that a lot.
So that was good.
I'm kind of really surprised I didn't get the Sprite because I drink a lot of Sprite.
I know. They
Like,
the
what
Coke,
the
the Coke and the Sprite were their Mexican and their American version tasted really similar.
They did, yeah.
So that's actually really, really cool.
That is really, 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 really interesting, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So while we were out and about, we also found some
Fuego.
not so Mexican,
Ugh.
but it's called Fago.
Fuego. Why did I say fuego?
I don't know, but so these are actually made in Detroit, Michigan. They did have a lot of different flavors as well, so if you find these, go check them out and see what kind of flavor you like. Do we want to taste these too? Yeah? Okay. Let me get a little bit of water.
Yeah. Clean my palate after.
Cleanse my palate.
Yeah, after all of those. Those were really, really good.
Okay. So,
Wink.
sorry, our camera guy's acting a little weird over there.
Well, I
No.
had to duck underneath the cameras. So I didn't get my big fat head in the way. Here, wipe out one of your glasses.
Oh, I was just gonna say we. Okay.
Wipe them out. That way you get a good taste.
Be civil, Mikey.
Yeah, I guess I can't just drink it right out of the bottle. I guess.
But yeah, you guys are sharing.
I don't want
Well, we're
germs.
family. Come on.
That's what they say in Alabama too,
Or
Okay.
Arkansas.
or Arkansas. Which one are you trying first?
I'm trying the grape.
Well, you should try them
Oh.
together. That's why you have two glasses. Wipe the other one down too. What do you do?
Where are we? Is this our first rodeo?
Apparently,
Yeah.
Oh.
this is actually your first rodeo.
No, yeah, it
This
is.
is our
For
first
drinks.
word. Yeah.
Yeah. This is orange. And here's the orange cap. Ooh.
All right.
Okay. So, sniff test. This
Which one smells better?
They both smell really good.
I like the orange smell better. Here's my problem with grape smelling things and things that taste like grape.
Yeah.
They always taste like grape flavored medicine to me.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
All right.
that's my biggest thing.
Let's try the grape first.
Cheers.
You drank that like medicine.
I
I
really,
know.
like shot it. Like, what the heck? Not bad. It's your typical grape soda.
I used to like grape things until medicine ruined it for me. All I taste is grape medicine.
Yeah. Okay.
It wasn't as like crispy though.
Yeah. It's got a different taste to it.
It
so-
does.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
I almost. Ah, that's good.
Actually, a little subtler than the Fanta.
Yeah.
I
That
would
is
I would
good.
put this on par with like the Mexican Fanta as the crispiness goes.
Okay.
I like the grape one. It just tastes
Yeah, it's like powerful grape.
yeah, it's like the grape flavored medicine that you always get.
I always thought it like made it taste better. Like at least like come on.
No, the grape flavored medicine just does not taste good.
Okay, you say so. Well, that was a lot of.
That was actually really good. I liked that we got to tell and see the difference
Yeah.
in all of them.
Okay.
So that's really cool.
Yeah, that was interesting. I wish I would have got more of the Fanta, the Mexican ones right. Man, what the
I'm
heck?
surprised I got 2 of them correct. I was expecting to go 0 for 4, and I got 2 for 4. That's crazy.
I'm just glad I got one, so. All right. Well, if you like what we do and everything, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe to us on your social media platform like Facebook or your video player like YouTube. You can search for us at Just Us Tasting, but don't forget to drop the G.
Thanks for watching our fun food journey. Bon appetit.
Food, tasty food, tasty food, so food. This concludes our broadcasting day.